Chronic cough and persistent throat irritation can significantly affect your daily life. Often, these symptoms are linked to issues in the upper airway and can be exacerbated by poor breathing habits, including breathing pattern disorders, which is where your breathing becomes mouth predominant, irregular, shallow, or uncoordinated. When breathing patterns are disrupted, it can cause overuse of the neck and chest muscles, causing dryness of the delicate throat structures, throat tightness, and it can trigger ongoing cough. This creates a really challenging cycle that can be quite difficult to break without specialist care. At Air Physiotherapy, we conduct thorough assessments to understand how your breathing and your upper airway functions, and we draw on expertise from our speech and language colleagues where needed. We use tailored breathing retraining, cough suppression, biomechanical optimization, and relaxation techniques to help you regain control over your breath, reduce your coughing episodes, and ease discomfort. For some patients, we do work alongside speech and language therapists to address issues like throat sensitivity, vocal cord dysfunction, or swallowing difficulties, ensuring a comprehensive approach to your upper airway health. If chronic cough or breathlessness are impacting your life, respiratory physio can certainly provide effective tools and support you to help recover. Treatment on average takes 6 sessions, although this depends on your presentation and your goals. And we're covered by most major insurance companies. To begin your journey with us, head to our online booking page linked in the email or call 0207 971 1464. We hope to see you soon.